Good morning, students. So today we will understand Saturn equilibrium using TR-TC approach. Here in this diagram we are talking about perfectly competitive market, and this this horizontal line and vertical line, this vertical line, okay, this line is for total revenue and total cost, and this horizontal line is for output, okay, is for quantity. Now if we notice here, as we are talking about perfectly competitive market means price is fixed, so that is the reason total revenue is upward, okay, rising straight line. So this is total revenue, and we know that in case of total cost, first it's started, okay, increasing, and then after a certain point it started cost started. So as we know that in case of total cost, first increases, okay, at increasing rate, and then again if you will hire more labor and more labor, okay, then it increases, cost increases but at decreasing rate. And if you will continue furthermore, okay, then the cost will increase at very increasing rate. So that's why it is the shape of the total cost. First you can see that increasing at increasing rate, then increasing but decreasing rate, and then it started again increasing. So it means here it is a total cost, and since total revenue is a straight line, because in perfectly competitive market it is price is fixed, that is the reason it is straight line, okay, upward rising straight line. So we know that profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost, okay. Total revenue here means, okay, the amount which we get after selling all the goods. Total cost means the cost which incurred while producing any commodities. So here in this case, okay, in this case you can see that this one is here, this line is total cost. Total cost is more than total revenue, that is the reason this portion is loss portion. And after then if you will notice this portion, okay, G, here total revenue is equal to total cost. It means here profit is zero, okay, neither loss nor profit. So here this is the break even point, you can say, or this is a point where firm is getting only normal profit, okay. Now if you will notice here, after then total cost is less than total revenue, it means this portion is of profit. And then if it will continue, this portion is, we can say, the equilibrium, okay. Sorry, this is the portion, okay, where farm is getting maximum profit, because after then it started losing, okay. So here equilibrium point is M, 0 to M, because up to M level of output farm is getting maximum profit, okay, maximum profit. That is the reason you can see this one is a maximum profit. After then the profit started decreasing, but still farm is continuing. So this is the point, okay, where H is the point where TR is equal to TC, where farm is getting maximum profit. After then farm will not get any profit, okay. So if we will talk about equilibrium point of output, then this is OM is the equilibrium point of output. That is the reason here it has been shown that this is the loss, okay, this is a loss, because here it is the curve of the profit, and here total revenue is less than total cost, okay. This point both are equal, okay, means there is neither profit nor loss. This portion is profit, because here total revenue is more than total cost. After then again this one is a normal profit, okay. And after that started decreasing, it means again there is a loss. So this is the short run equilibrium using TRTC approach.